Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda and today we're reviewing an 8-inch heel from Pleaser. So this is the FLAMINGO-808CHLN because they have quite a few flamingo styles. So I'll just show you what this product code is if you want to see it. And then you can see really up close how beautiful this box actually is. It's got some gorgeous little butterflies on it. Pleaser really do nice packaging, and the butterfly hole in the front there. So these ones are in gold because we've had a lot of requests to do rose gold. So we did rose gold, then we asked for yellow gold. So this is the yellow gold style, which I've reviewed in the other color before. 8-inch heel by Pleaser. So we've got a hard upper plastic here, which I've heated up with a hairdryer to make it a little bit easier to put on. The reinforced straps along this side because you know it's a really quality product. And then in the chrome you can see these gaps here, which I'm really excited to show you in the sunlight because they create a beautiful little pattern on the ground, which you'll see, and they've also got that in the heel as well. Gorgeous gold chrome all over there. And then the bottoms of these are a squishy sort of memory foam material, so they're super comfortable, and then over time they'll mold into your foot, so you're going to feel really secure and comfortable. Pleaser always gives you this little nice travel bag with some foam in it, so that'll separate the shoes, keep the shoes really nice for when you're traveling or going somewhere and you don't want to just put them in your bag. So that'll keep them lovely and in a really good shape instead of scratching them up. This is the other one. So the size I'm wearing today, guys, is a 37 or size 7. And I haven't gone up or down in a size, so they're pretty true to size. But yes, obviously when they're new, they are a little tight. So I would advise heating them up with a hairdryer first. And the strap across here keeps you really nice and secure. Now, I'm definitely not a professional at walking in 8-inch heels. This is not something I really ever do often apart from when I'm here doing reviews, so please let me know how I go and if I'm any good, because I'm a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm sure I'll hopefully get through it unscathed. Okay guys, and they also have a really nice grip at the front, so they're pretty sturdy when you think about it. Okay, they're pretty good once you get your balance. I feel nice and secure. The straps around the ankle are really good. I'll do some turns so you can see all of the shoe. And from the side. So they're quite easy to walk in once you get your balance and you're not doing anything silly. They really look so beautiful with the big platform at the front, with those lines in it, in the chrome, and then also the lines in the heel. And this is a side view. They're really such a pretty shoe, and they're so different, and I really love the clear strap at the top, and then we've got them in a yellow gold. And just make sure, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, click like and subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos, and comment below if you're liking them, what shoes you want to see more of, or which ones you're liking the best, because we read all the comments and we'll definitely get back to you. So we're just taking the shoes outside now. I'm very excited to show you how they'll look in the light. So as you can see, when I sort of lift my shoe up, it makes these little round circles of light. So under the lights at night in a disco or a club, they'll really look super fancy. Okay, let's go for a bit of a walk. So it doesn't feel like you're walking in an 8-inch heel. Definitely feels really nice and secure with that strap around the side and the big platform at the front. It's much more comfortable than what I would have thought because I'm definitely not used to walking in 8-inch heels. The Shoes of Hollywood crew love putting me in them, so hopefully you're enjoying this. And you can really see that reflection that it makes on the ground. Okay guys, let's head back inside. So this is the Flamingo, and if you want to know the product code, it's at the start of the video, so you can just click back to that to see, because there are quite a few Flamingo heels, and this is the yellow gold version in an 8-inch heel. My feet don't feel sore at all walking in them, which is pretty surprising. But yeah, Pleaser has made a really nice shoe in this. It's very stable, especially with these nice reinforced straps. And the bottom of the soles are really soft and comfortable. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Click like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any, and we'll see you in the comments.